Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will discuss week 1 quiz answers of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithm using Python. So please subscribe my channel if you want to get every week answers. This is the first question. What does this return? This is the coding. Now the answer of this question will be 25. Now I will show you the proof. You can see here this is the function and the answer will be 25. Now this is the second question. What is age 60 minus 8045 given the definition of age below? So this is the definition, and if we print age 60 minus age 45, so it will print 75. So 75 will be the answer of question number 2. Now see the proof. So you can see this is the definition, and if we print age 60 minus age 45, so this will be the answer, that is 75. Now this is question number 3. For what value of n would G375, n return 4? So the value of n will be 4. So you can see here, this is the code I write. Now print G375, 4. If I take, then this function will return 4. So my answer of this question will be 4 here. Now coming to the fourth question. Consider the following function MOS. So which of the following is correct? So the answer of this question will be option number 4. That is, the function terminates for positive n with MOS n is equal to factorial of n. So please subscribe my channel if you get some help from this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.